What's up, guys? Welcome back to our channel. I'm home. So I got 1 week off from school, and the wife is working on her projects. Well, I'm working on the wife's project. 'Cause she don't do anything. She let me do all the work. I'll do all the drilling, I'll do all everything. But anyway, guys, today we're working on another accent wall. So yeah. Watch me as I deal with this time-lapse style because it's a lot of work. So I'm gonna do the outline today. I don't know how much of this I can do, but let's get started. All right, guys, don't forget to like, share, subscribe to our channel. Peace out. Alright, guys, so first off, I start out by moving mom's furniture around because she had a table at that wall, a little fancy table and some stuff on it. Then I grabbed my tape measure and I marked out some lines. And then I grabbed some painter's tape and I tape. So I measured 4 inches apart, and these are the lines, guys, 4 inches apart, just to make this design. It's a trial and error thing. I saw it online and I did it. I had it in my head. I didn't know what I was doing. At one point I was confused. Is this right? Is this wrong? Because you see me there looking around. I'm like, what the hell am I doing? But anyway, guys, I had it in my mind, and I'm good at solving puzzles. This is like Tetris, guys, and I'm figuring it out right now. So the design is to make an accent wall with like wood. So where I'm putting that tape, guys, the tape will be replaced with like some 1 by 3/8 wood. So those are, those little wood that they put on door jamb just to stop the door from swinging and stuff like that. I don't know what it's called, but those little wood, that's what I'm gonna use here. So I'm outlining the design to make sure it's right before buying the wood, cutting it up, and then it's wasted. So this is the trial and error here. I'm looking, making sure everything is okay. I remove some of the tape, then I put it back because I'm like, oh crap, I shouldn't have removed that. So it's accidental stuff that I'm doing, figuring it out, and it looks real good so far, guys. I think I'm going up for higher after this. So my wife had called some lady to do this, and the lady told her $5,000 just to do this wall. So I watched the video of the thing that my wife had interest in, and I said, oh, no, I can do this. So here I am figuring it out, and once I saw this design in the tape, I know that, hey, I got this. So this is it for this evening. I'm done with this part. I like it. Alright, guys, so this is the outline of everything. It took me probably 2 hours, so this is it, guys. It's mesmerizing, right? It's like a maze, but yeah, it's done. So this is tape, painter's tape lined out. I think I could leave it just like this, guys, without doing anything else. So this looks great. What do you think? Should I leave it like this? Should I finish the project? And what color should I put this accent wall in? Alright, so that's your input, guys. Should I leave it like this? Should I finish the project? And should I change the color of the accent wall? Or just leave the design as the accent? What color? You tell me. Alright, guys. So that's the end of the project for today. I'm waiting on your input to finish everything. So like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe if you're not already subscribed to our channel. And see you in the next video. Peace out.